Salutations, distinguished guests, staff members, and most importantly, class of 2023. My name is Omar, and I have had the pleasure of serving as the Associated Student Body President, as well as the President of the California Junior Scholarship Federation. This year's been filled with many thrilling and arduous experiences, with twists and turns, which has helped us gain our confidence as well as other virtues. I believe that this Rubik's Cube is a perfect representation of our school, a puzzle, because you can twist it and turn it based on your past experiences. As we first began our adventure at middle school, instead of focusing on who had more Pokemon cards, we began to focus more on our clothing and who had the newest iPhones. As 7th grade progressed, we began to understand the burden of responsibility and how to approach difficult tasks. I remember when we had to read numerous chapters of our Hobbit book, and me being the excellent student I am, I procrastinated until the night before the test and scored a wonderful 70%. Eventually, I understood how procrastination would evidently ruin my middle school experience. As the end of 7th grade neared, our Rubik's Cube was half solved. Now came summer. A rush of joy and anxiety filled us. But that joy was quick to leave as 8th grade arrived, with new teachers and curriculum. As 8th graders, we felt as if we had authority in the school. The underclassmen saw us as role models. The coaches relied on us. Yet we were still too cool and lazy to run the half-mile correctly. As we went through our 8th grade year, we continued to move and understand how to solve our puzzle. And now we are finally here. We have solved the entire cube, and now we're moving on to bigger aspects and puzzles, also known as high school. Now our cube will look like this. With that said, I would like to thank an organization which is crucial in making this joyous occasion possible. So can everyone in ASB please stand, and can we all give them a round of applause? Thank you all for enduring my speech, and congratulations to the class of 2023. Now our principal, Mr. Castillo, will give a few words.